As you can see right now, we finally got the package in from my friend Patrick. He has sent us the dress for this shoot, you know what I'm saying, the road to Vogue. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing to show you exactly what I'm going to do here and see what he sent us actually. I'm gonna do a little unboxing because believe it or not, he actually sent me another dress just for that as well. So we're gonna find out what else other dress that he sent us. I don't know, he just sent it in there. I didn't ask for it, but he sent it because that's the good thing about photography, man. If you find a good photographer that's willing to connect, you know what I'm saying, and got situations like this dress that I need to make this shoot happen, you know, so it's good out there to network with people and other photographers because they may have what you need. For example, this part right here, you know what I'm saying? He had the dress, I wanted to do it, and he had what I need because I shot with it last year and it was absolutely awesome. So let's just go ahead and see what's in this box right now. Like I said, I'm kind of excited. I know exactly, like I said, I already showed you what it is because I shot with the dresses before, but I'm kind of curious to really kind of figure out what is this other dress that he ended up sending us. Like I said, he sent me this. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Odell, if you're watching this video right here. I really appreciate it, but let's go ahead and I can show you exactly what it is. Like, once again, you already seen it. Now, these dresses, as you can see, oh man, it's a lot of fabric, man. It's a lot of fabric. Here is the first one. The purple one. Man, I'm talking about it's, well, like I said, I already showed you the picture because I shot with it before with Michaela in it when I went down there to Odell to shoot with this. So it's the same exact dress. It's just a lot of freaking fabric trying to figure out what's going on here. But this is the dress. That's the first one. Let's see here. He also sent the white one in for me as well. I think that was an accident, but he also sent the white one in as well. So we'll probably shoot with both of these. Like I said, these dresses are just, this is gonna take time to really kind of fill it out. So I'm not gonna do that right now. Now, here's what I'm interested in, to figure out what this yellow one is all about. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I love this yellow color actually. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm going to really get down and figure out how he formed this out, but once again, it is a dress here that he sent out. Let me stand up a little bit here. Yeah, this is a lot of fabric. So that is pretty awesome. And I do appreciate Odell sending me this. Let's see. Like I said, you really have to really kind of figure out where everything goes at. Let's see. Once again, guys, these dresses are really freaking expensive. So, and he had this custom made as well on top of that. So here's the long part of it right here. Yeah, these things custom made. They're very expensive. Like I said, I was very grateful that he was able to let me shoot with this. And here it kind of goes, this whole entire thing. So as you can see. But anyway, that's pretty it. That's just a quick unboxing right here to show you. You're gonna be next going to be seeing us out on the bout, going to hiking to our location. So let's just go ahead and, matter of fact, let's just go ahead and just swing right over to what we're about to go do next. Here we go, the road to Vogue, baby.